purpose of this tech tube release is to demonstrate the proper procedure to operate the new Robinair R1234yf refrigerant machine. With the machine plugged in, turn on the main power switch. The automatic function allows the user to program an automatic recovery, vacuum, leak test, and/or charge sequence. The user may choose to skip any step in the automatic operation during the programming. A total automatic sequence may take up to an hour. Warning: to prevent personal injury while working with refrigerant, read and follow the instructions and warnings in the user manual and wear protective equipment such as goggles and gloves. Next, connect the service hoses to the vehicle service ports and open the couplers. Note: if problems are encountered during the automatic sequence, the machine will beep 3 times, the red lights on the front of the machine will blink, and the control panel readout will pinpoint the problem encountered. The sequence remains paused until the user enters a decision regarding how to proceed. Press the automatic button and follow the on-screen prompts to enter the vehicle identification number into the machine. The VIN can be entered manually or automatically by connecting the machine to the vehicle's data link connector. Press the OK button. The machine will display the following screen. Use the number keys on the keypad to make selections 1 through 3 for the type of AC system on the specific vehicle. For selections 5 and 6, you can accept the default values or enter the values required for the specific vehicle and press the OK button. If no pressure is detected, the machine proceeds to the next programmed mode, vacuum or charge. If pressure is detected, the machine prompts to run diagnostic pressures before recovery. Running diagnostic pressures before recovery is optional. Diagnostic pressures should be run when prompted after a charge. Press OK to run diagnostic pressures, or press Escape to continue with recovery. If OK was selected, follow the prompts to start the vehicle and set the AC system according to Service Manual AC Performance Test requirements. Press OK after the pressure stabilizes. Press OK again to print the data. Then press Escape to continue with the recovery sequence. The machine checks the refrigerant in the vehicle to verify it is R1234yf and not contaminated, which is required by SAE J2843. The machine will display the following screens: calibration in progress, gas identify, and refrigerant purity acceptable. If the purity reading is acceptable, the machine performs a recovery and the system oil is drained at the end of the recovery sequence. If the vacuum time was programmed, the machine will perform the vacuum sequence at this time. If a charge was selected, the machine displays charging a high voltage system that uses pole oil. If OK is selected for a high voltage system, the machine prompts for a hose flush procedure. Connect high side and low side service hoses to storage ports on the machine and open the coupler valves. If Escape is selected for a non-high voltage system, the machine continues with the charge sequence and performs a vacuum leak test. Press Escape to continue. With the service hoses connected to the vehicle's AC system, open the coupler valves and press OK. The machine will put a partial charge into the system and perform automatic tests on the system as required by SAE J2843. When prompted, perform a manual leak test using a leak detector certified to SAE J2913. Once the leak test has been completed, press OK if no leaks were found and continue with the charge sequence. When prompted, the machine will ask if the vehicle is equipped with an auxiliary evaporator. Press Escape for No or OK for Yes to continue with the charge sequence. The machine will recover the partial charge that was put into the system for their leak test and clear the machine's AC lines. Once complete, the machine will charge the system. At the end of the charge sequence, the machine will prompt to run the diagnostic pressure test. Press the OK button to continue. This process is required to provide vehicle system pressures for the stored and printed warranty service data. Follow the prompts to start the vehicle and set the AC system to max performance, and then press the OK button to continue. After the pressure stabilizes, press the OK button again. Next, follow the prompts to equalize liquid refrigerant into the vehicle's AC system for maximum charge accuracy. Then, disconnect the high pressure hose and press OK. The machine will display the hose equalization screen. When the sequence is complete, close the low side coupler valve and press the OK button to continue. Caution: if the low side or high side coupler valve is left open during the hose clearing process, the system will pull refrigerant back out of the vehicle. With the service hoses removed from the AC system, install them on the machine's storage ports. Select OK to begin clearing the refrigerant machine hoses. This prepares the machine for the next service. The machine displays a summary of actions performed during the automatic sequence, and the vehicle's AC system has now been charged.